Hey, health enthusiasts! Did you know that transitioning to a plant-based diet can revolutionize your health? Prepare to be amazed by an eye-opening statistic. Adopting a plant-based diet can significantly improve your overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. This is a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their health. Welcome to our video on optimizing wellness with a plant-based diet. Today, we're exploring the incredible benefits of plant-based eating for enhancing your overall well-being. It's time to make a positive shift towards a healthier lifestyle. Many struggle with health issues stemming from poor dietary habits. From weight gain and fatigue to more serious conditions like heart disease and diabetes, our diet plays a crucial role in our health. Discover why embracing plant-based eating is pivotal for reclaiming your health and vitality. Plant-based foods are rich in essential nutrients, offering a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients are vital for nurturing your body and promoting optimal health. By integrating more plant-based meals into your diet, you can achieve a healthier, more vibrant you. Imagine waking up each day feeling more energized and focused, ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Delve into recent scientific insights and health benefits attributed to a plant-based diet. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even improve mental clarity. Uncover how this dietary approach can transform your well-being, providing a pathway to a healthier, more energetic life. Prepare to witness the incredible impact firsthand. Embracing a plant-based diet promises numerous advantages for your wellness journey. Experience improved health, heightened energy levels, and overall well-being. It's time to prioritize your health and vitality by incorporating plant-based foods into your daily routine. To truly enjoy the benefits of a plant-based diet, having a variety of delicious and nutritious recipes is essential. This is where a good recipe book comes in handy. Check out the description below for a fantastic book on plant-based recipes. It's packed with easy-to-follow recipes that will make your transition smoother and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your plant-based journey with mouth-watering meals. Take the first step toward a healthier lifestyle today by exploring plant-based recipes and tips in the video description. Join us in this journey toward enhanced wellness with the power of a plant-based diet. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to achieve optimal health through plant-based living. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.